welcome to how to repair a Mamod SP2 engine. However, today, this is not obviously part 2 of this engine, which you saw me partly repair in the last episode. This is going to be finished in a later episode. Today, however, we're going to be focusing on this engine. This is a Mamod SP2 engine, which you barely ever see on this channel. It's about time, and it hasn't run in years, and I haven't had a chance to do any work to it. So it's about time that I get going with it and get repairing. So today we're not going to do any repairing. We're just going to do an initial inspection, and then you're going to steam it up. And I'm not using Mamod tablets today, I'm using Lubrication tablets. And it has a dummy chimney. Apologies if the lighting is bad, it's just that this is my shed, and the lighting is not good in here, obviously. As you can hear, it's a beautiful autumn's day in Darlington today. You can hear the birds chirping. This is the burner for it. One's on Lubrication tablets, or Mamod tablets, whatever you choose to work it on. Has quite a nice backing to it, and holds so you don't burn yourself. So without further ado, we're going to take the safety valve off and put some water in it. So I'll take the safety valve off camera. There's enough water in the engine from the last running, so we're going to take out my Lubrication tablets and open them up, because this is a fresh packet. Just getting at my scissors, and all you do is just snip the end off, like so, like that. And then I'm running it on one tablet today because I find it's easy to control on one tablet, and I've got my little clipper barbecue lighter. It's just gonna hold the flame on the tablet, and eventually it'll pick up and hopefully run. So again, you can see we've got some flame. Let's let that build up. Okay, now that's going in the boiler. And now it's only a matter of moments before we raise steam. Now, what we're going to do is oil the engine. So, we're going to take the piston out and just do that. I'm using Forest Classics 460ml grade steam oil. And all you gotta do is just put a drop into the cylinder, just a little drop. So that's enough. And then just work it through using the piston, like so. And then we just put that back on there. I have a quote that I like to use from Keith Appleton: "You can never have too much oil on a model steam engine." So that is now burning. It is now starting to make some bubbling sounds. Now the problem with this engine is the fire was right above the fire, so it's hard to move without burning yourself. So I tend to start it by the crank. Just hold it there, let it warm through a bit. Now just check on the fire. It's going very well. Let a bit more steam build up, and we should be able to get going any second now. So stay tuned. And then we're nearly ready to go. And we're off. Perfect. It's running very well. Now the exhaust comes out a little hole there. Sort of see all the walking out. Now this engine has got quite a few leaks. I'm going to stop it now because it's getting a bit too fast. Let it safety valve's packed up. and it's coming to a stop. So, I hope you enjoyed that little video. Hello! Now I'm just saying, this video was an announcement of the series. I'm not halting the restoration of the SE1. That one is still going ahead. I'm waiting for some parts to come in the post. That's why I'm not doing it right now, because I know it's been a good couple of weeks since I last did the previous video. And that's because I'm waiting for some parts to come in the post, and they are taking quite a while to come. They won't be here till November, so it's going to be quite a while till I start that series again. However, after the SE1 series, I'm going to be starting a series on a Stirling engine, which is quite exciting, and then I'll be working on the SP2, which you just saw today. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. We're at 179 subscribers, nearly 180. It's going brilliantly. Like, share, subscribe. And also, make sure to check out the T Scottish Show Facebook page and Instagram page. Make sure you go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys.